welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be bringing you a maternity clothing haul and try on. This is the first piece that I'm going to show you. This is from Chic Maternity and I just absolutely love the detailing along here. I just think that's so pretty. And this is the full length dress. So it's to the knee, the front goes to the just where the knee is, and then the back of it drops down, which is really pretty. So it's a really nice, pretty, flowy dress. Oh yes, I love how flowy it is. So this is from Chic Maternity. And I just got another piece from Chic Maternity, which I will show you right now. All right, so this is the second piece from Chic Maternity that I wanted to show you. I love this one. This one's just a jumpsuit. You can see just a full length jumpsuit. Very sleek, very elegant. I got my little bump there. And I just love how this bit's see-through. I just think that's so pretty. It would look really nice with like some statement jewelry as well and some nice heels. Down opened again. Once we open up again, hopefully we will all be able to get together and I will actually have somewhere I can wear these really nice maternity clothes. All right, so this is outfit number 3 that I wanted to show you. The top is from Fate and Becca, and it's a really cute peasant-like top. And then the skirt is from Bay. And I just love this outfit. I love the color of the skirt. It just goes so well. It's so summery. Or even like springtime. You could like tuck the top in, or you could have it hanging out, whatever you choose. I really like this combo. It's a really good little outfit, this one. And this is outfit number 4. So this is pretty much the same. This skirt is also from Bay. It's pretty much the exact same skirt as I just showed you, but in black. So this is also a nice combination. Very chic, very elegant. I just love this combo. You could wear it to an office job or out somewhere nice. And then this is the last outfit that I wanted to show you. This is just a very comfy, casual dress. I love this dress. It's so comfy, so cozy. Well, not cozy, but it's like just really, really comfy. And it just comes just above the knee, so it's a good length. It's not too short. Thank you for watching my little maternity clothing haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link the websites for the clothes that I have down below, and I will see you in my next video.